Hey YouTube, today we're gonna try something. Got the key for the Ford, and it's been sitting a while. It's currently 20 degrees outside, and it's probably been sitting probably for a month now or so. Oh God, see if I can get into it without falling out. So we're gonna see if it starts. The lights are on, they don't seem super bright. I mean, as long as the batteries have a decent charge in them, it will start, I'm pretty sure. But I guess we'll find out. I better cycle the glow plugs for this old girl. Two cycles and we'll see what happens. Oh, she's trying. Oh, it's close. I hope it starts. Then I don't have to drag a battery charger out here. Come on, this is the one. Oh, it's so close. And these are fairly new batteries. I got them like in the middle of the summer. I was starting to have issues with the power, so I think middle of summer is when I got them. They're just the factory Ford batteries. Oh God, it's so close. It just needs like one or two more cylinders to fire and it'll start. Okay, 2 more cycles. And this has to be it. The glow plug's gotta be warm. And you can't give it any crap, because I mean this truck's been sitting for like a month. And it's been cold lately. Today's 20, it's been smoking out the tailpipe. Ah, come on. Come on, big girl. Oh, batteries are dying. Might have to get the battery charger. You know, part of me thought it was gonna start, but it's been cold. Yep. Alright, well, I'm gonna get the battery charger out and get her hooked up and see what happens, so I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I got the battery charger on it. Yeah, it's out there, it's on. Everything seems to be running a little better. See if she starts. I feel like with the battery charger it might start on this first one. Okay, maybe if the battery's a little more charged, I'll give it a little bit of time. But I'll get out and show you guys. Got it hooked up. Charging it up a little bit. Yeah, they're taking a little bit of juice. So I'm gonna go inside for a couple minutes and I'll come back out. Just give it some time to charge up. Alright, I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright, it's been a few minutes. So it should start. Hopefully, I'm hoping. See how fast it turns over. I think it'll start. Seems good so far. Oh. God, I don't know. I almost wonder if I should just plug it in for a couple hours and then come back and try. The reason I'm trying to start it is because I just want to let it run for a bit because it hasn't ran for like a month or so. But it's dead again. So I wonder if I should get it plugged in and let it try to warm up the block a little bit. I know it doesn't work that fast, but oh God, I need to. Oh, it's just awful. Oh, I should not have left it like this. I need to wash this thing. This thing got bad. The salt's just eating it away. You can see what I mean. That's a big mistake that I did. It was never this bad. So I can almost poke my finger through the door now. Rockers are always this bad. That's definitely gotten worse. Just from sitting for a month. Oh, these winters, man. You gotta hate them. Oh, that's salt. That's another thing. I kind of want to just get it going. And then maybe on this weekend, because it's Thursday today, take it over to Whale Wash and get all the salt and crap off it, and then I can park it. Or even, I think it's supposed to be like 33 on Saturday. So maybe even just freaking wash it out here in my driveway. Might make it a little icy, but. And then there's the red Chevy still here. But we're gonna get this old girl going. We're gonna get going. Alright, I'll get back to you guys and figure out what I'm gonna do here. Alright. I gave it a little bit longer. I'm gonna try it again. Hoping this can be it. Come on, let's do this. It's gotta be it. Not, I'm gonna have to plug it in. Cycle the glow plugs a couple times. And yeah, I got nothing against Ford. This is just a video to see if it's gonna start. This truck has been very good to me. It's got the 7.3 in it. And we all know 7.3s aren't the happiest in the winter. So, I mean, that's just a known fact. They're very good motors. They're just not happy in the winter. So we're gonna hopefully get it started, because I'd like to let it run a bit and let it charge up its batteries. Oh, that first shake was violent, like it was gonna start. This thing is not going to be happy when it starts. Yeah, I think we're going to have to let it, plug it in and let it sit for a couple hours, then come back out. But of course then it's going to be dark, and it would be kind of pointless to videotape because you guys won't be able to see. Turn that down a little bit. So yeah, I don't really know what to do. Definitely taking a charge. I wonder if I got a splitter. So yeah, I think I'm gonna plug it in and then probably come back in the dark. See if it'll start. So I'll be back in a bit. So it's been plugged in. block heater's been plugged in, and the Duramax has been charging for about 20 minutes now, which I know isn't a whole lot, especially for the block heater, considering how cold that block probably is. But I was thinking about maybe giving it another shot here, see if she'll go. Now it's gonna be dark. Yeah, looking at the GoPro screen, you guys can't even see anything. You know, part of me thinks, should I try again? But I'm gonna try. Yeah, you can't see anything now. Sucks it gets so dark so early now, but hopefully it goes. I mean, 20 minutes might have made a little difference in it, the block heater. Maybe, maybe not. It's a lot of oil and coolant to heat up. Oh, it's so close. We've picked up more cylinders. We have picked up more cylinders. Do a couple more cycles here and I think she'll go. I hope so, then I can put the Duramax back and shut the Duramax off. Oh, she almost went. So close. Dang, this is a cold start right here. This is definitely a cold start. I feel, man, this is a lot of abuse to the batteries. A lot of abuse to the batteries, that's for sure. And the starter. Oh god. Oh yeah, she's smoking. She's definitely smoking. So you guys can't really see anything, but oh. Alright, we're gonna give it like 10 more minutes. I think 10 more minutes and it should be good to go. We'll try one more time here. The batteries are starting to get a little dead. I can tell. I'm not turning it over as fast. Yeah. One more go here. One more. Come on. Come on. You got it in you. Close. It's so close. All right, a couple more minutes and she should be good to go. All right, I'll get back to you guys. All right, so it's pitch black now. You guys can't see anything. It's been plugged in for a half hour, so I think it's gonna do it now. I hope, because I'm really sick of running the piss out of the starter and these poor batteries right now. So it almost did it last time, so it's gotta do it now. It's just gotta do it. It's gotta do it. It's been plugged in. Duramax has been charging her up. I'll cycle the gold plugs twice. This one right here. It's gonna start. Oh yeah. Oh, you guys still can't see anything. She started though. I don't think she's running on all 8. That flash up. Definitely not happy. Definitely not happy. Well, there you guys go. Essentially Ford Power Stroke been sitting for a month to 2 months. Finally started up. Thanks for watching and have a good night, day, whatever time you're watching this video.